Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the best in tech and home appliances. Today, we're checking out the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This is a model that promises a lot, so let's get into what makes it stand out and whether it really delivers on those claims. The Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge is a cordless stick vacuum designed to make your cleaning tasks easier, faster, and more versatile. It features a multi-surface brush roll, which allows you to easily switch between different floor types, from carpets to hard floors, without missing a beat. The big selling point here is its self-standing design. That means you can take a break whenever needed, and the vacuum stays upright without having to lean it against anything or mount it to the wall. It's a convenient feature that saves you time and effort. But the big question is, how does it really perform? Well, the suction power on this vacuum is no joke. It comes with dual cyclonic filtration technology, which captures 99.4% of dirt and dust particles, and that means you don't have to worry about losing suction as you go. Whether you're cleaning light dust or heavier debris, this vacuum can handle it. Plus, the Hushstone system delivers a quieter clean than most, so you can get through your tasks without the usual racket from other vacuums. As far as versatility goes, this Hoover vacuum has you covered. You can convert it into a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning. Whether it's upholstery, stairs, or those hard-to-reach spots behind furniture, this vacuum can tackle it all with the included specialized tools. The ONEPWR battery system ensures portability, giving you up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime, just enough to clean your entire home in one go. Now let's talk about the practical aspects. When it comes to handling, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for quick cleanups. The ergonomics feel solid and it's comfortable to use, whether you're working on the floor or tackling those tricky above-floor messes. The dirt cup is fairly easy to empty, though you might have to do it more often if you have a large area to clean. Speaking of real-world performance, this vacuum excels at picking up dirt and crumbs on hard floors and does a solid job with carpets too, lifting embedded dirt without losing suction. For pet owners, it handles pet hair with ease, making it a go-to for those with furry friends around the house. The multi-surface brush roll is particularly useful here, ensuring that pet hair doesn't get tangled up or left behind. It's also pretty effective in picking up debris from rugs. However, as much as this vacuum impresses, there are a few things to note. While the suction is consistent, you'll notice a slight drop in power in higher settings, especially when the battery starts running low. It's not a major issue, but it's something to be mindful of if you're working on larger areas and need consistent power. Also, though it's generally quiet, it's not entirely noise-free. If you're looking for something that's super silent, it might not be the best fit for you. When it comes to value for money, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge positions itself well in the mid-range price category. You're getting a reliable, cordless vacuum with decent suction, a quiet operation, and versatility for a reasonable price. Its performance on different surfaces and the ability to clean up after pets makes it a solid choice for families and households with various cleaning needs. Looking at some modern alternatives, you might want to compare this model with other cordless stick vacuums at a similar price point. For instance, the Shark IZ462H Vertex cordless stick vacuum also offers powerful suction and versatility with a similar runtime. However, it does come with a slightly higher price tag. On the other hand, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the Bissell PowerEdge cordless stick vacuum could be an option, though it doesn't have the same filtration power or versatility for above-floor cleaning. In terms of build quality, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel feels well-constructed with solid plastic components, but it doesn't give off that high-end premium feel some other vacuums in the same category might. The self-standing design works well, but like most vacuums, it's something you'll need to maintain. The brush roll may require cleaning if you have long hair or pets. And while the dirt cup is easy to empty, it might require frequent emptying, depending on your cleaning habits. Now, Hoover's reputation for customer service is something to keep in mind. They've been around for over a century, and generally, they're known for reliable after-sales support. While we haven't had to contact them about this particular model, you can expect prompt responses for any issues or maintenance questions. If we had to summarize the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge Cordless Stick Vacuum, it's a solid performer for everyday cleaning tasks. It handles all floor types with ease, excels at pet hair removal, and gives you flexibility with its cordless design. It's perfect for smaller homes or apartments, as well as anyone looking for a vacuum that can handle a variety of messes without too much hassle. Is this vacuum worth the investment? It depends on your needs. If you want something that delivers strong suction across all floor types, is versatile, and doesn't break the bank, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Emerge is definitely a great option to consider. However, if you're looking for a vacuum with a longer runtime or quieter operation, you might want to explore some other models. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this vacuum, the link is in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions if you've used this vacuum yourself. Until next time, keep it clean, because, after all, it's all about what's inside.